Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am back with another application. This application name is A Wave of Insurance Company. Insolvency is the 1980 and sparkle and renewed ins- interest in the federal insurance regulation and including new legislations for dual state and federal system of insurance and solvency regulations. In response, the National Associations of Insurance Commissioners NAIC and adopted several model and reform of state insurance regulations, including risk-based capital and requirements, financial regulations, and coordination standards, and in an initiative to codify accounting and principles as more and more state and enact version of these model and remain into law and pressures for federal reform of insurance and regulations wanted and however there are still an significance and difference between states in their system of insurance and regulations and in the cost of companies. A model and reforms of state insurance regulations, including risk-based capital and requirements, financials regulation, and coordinations and standard in a initiative to codify according accounting the principle as more and more states enact version of these model and reform into law and the pressure of federal reform and insurance regulations wanted and however there are still sanctifications and difference between states in their system of insurance regulation in the cost of complying with those systems is un- ultimately burden is insured in the form of higher premiums. In McKinsey is the company statement estimated in 2009 that the US insurance industry incurs about 13 billion annually in unnecessary regulatory costs under the state-based regulatory system. The NIC acts as a forum for the creation of model laws and regulations. Each state decided where to pass each NAIC model law and regulations, and each state may make changes in the enactment process, and but the models are widely albeit and same but and equally adopt the NAICA also act to the national level and advance law in and policies and supported by state insurance regulation. NIC model acts and regulation provide some degree of informality between states with these Models do not have an force of law and have no effect unless and the adopted by state and they are however used as guides by most states and some states adopt them with little or no change. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.